Fuck off! What the fuck?
Oh shit!
What the fuck happened there?
Computer lagged a little bit, I think, and
Oh,
all of a sudden I was
fuck!
underground.
Oh no, fuck!
Nice guy.
Shut the fuck up.
The guy's pacifist. He'll win without. I'm in last. Oh god, it changes so quick.
I'm in 6th now, fuck you.
All because I ran into you.
Dude, that's like the weird thing about this game. Just running into someone can be just as bad as having an item. Oh god.
How? What did you do?
Yeah!
As soon as he hit me, I fucking released the shield.
Does that game work good?
Oh, dick!
It's my favorite racing game of all time.
Even better than Burnout Days.
Not.
Yeah, nice. That was good. Oh, fuck!
Oh, I'm gonna get fucked now.
Oh no! Oh no!
Motherfucker!
I got trapped in the same thing that Sty did.
What the fuck?